Hello guys. Today, good afternoon all. So today I am making stew, fish and chicken stew. So these are my ingredients. This is the chicken, just few pieces of chicken because I'm adding fish. This is the chicken already boiling, just the chicken and the onion. So this is the salt. I'm going to add the salt. Yes. This is my, here we call it, hope you guys can see. Yes, a la creme. Rosemary, right? I add. Yeah. Dry rosemary. This one, moida. We call it moida. You can see it's black pepper, right? I think they do this camera. Black pepper. So I add. You see, this is another black one, black pepper, pimenta. I add. What is that? Color noto. Sweet mouth in Igbo. So this is my curry. I add. So this is my, this one, Nigerian chicken stock. I add. So adding the Maggi, the gnocchi, and another one. So I have to cover it. Let me add in small water. Because the chicken itself brought out a little water, so I've added more. Cover it. So the fish, I'm going to fry the fish. The fish, I will fry the fish, sorry. Trying to set the camera to get everything very well. So the only thing I need to do to the fish is to just salt it before I will put it. I didn't cook it. Just want to fry it like this. Then this my tomato. I'm going to blend them. My ginger and my garlic. I will show us how I will do this one. I will blend them separate. This ginger and garlic, but I'm not going to put all. I will blend this one and this one with this green pepper. I will blend them separate with this green pepper. I will blend this one separate. Blend them together with this onion. Stay tuned. So guys, now I am frying the fish. So guys, this is the onion, garlic, ginger and pepper. I want to blend it first. So guys, I am now blending the tomato. It's like only do small. So guys, this is the blended tomato. I am parboiling it now. So after which I will now fry it. It's now time to start frying the tomatoes. Do you remember this? The green pepper, the yellow scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic. That is all I blended together here. The oil. Put some again to fry it. So, guys, it's now time. As you can see, I'll allow it to, let me cover it, to be boiling or to be frying until these get dry before I'll add my tomato paste. Look at the white tomatoes, you see. So let's stir it, guys. As you can see them. So let me set this camera very well so I can add the other tomatoes. So I'm not going to stir it together. Don't mind the color. It's going to be red. This is delicious. If try cook it this way, my God. The taste, blend it separate. Ginger, garlic. Let me lower the light a bit. And I'll cover it because I don't want it to be splashing all over my kitchen, you know. So guys, can you see it? See how colorful it is. So delicious. This is delicious, eh? Oh, if you have not tried this way, try it this way. Oh, this is something else. This is my chicken broth. I pour it in. Taste for salt. Or mango. Wow. Oh. This too is testing English. English. Then I add in the chicken. So you know the fish. My children's favorite. Anything cooking in this house must add fish. Must add fish. I think it's too much. I think it's okay. And let me put all of them. Add the remaining. Hosanna, the Yesenkerige Chukwamana chieze wero ebi obi Limousine Hana boy isiala. So let me test again to see. I'll add a little, just can see one Maggi, just a cube. Then yes, so I'll cover it. So this is it. This, Jesus Christ, go! This is the end of the stew. It's done. Try this method, you will like it. Very, very sweet. Thanks for watching. And to all my returning subscribers, may God bless you all for coming by.